friends, so let's start with the new video of software engineering unit 1, that is incremental process model. So this is the graphical design of software incremental software model or incremental process model, where every module is implemented as per the analysis, design, code and test. These four phases are implemented or followed in the every module implementation. That is, one function, if the one feature is implemented in the first module, so for second module we have to implement or we have to follow all the four steps, that is analysis, design and code and test. For the analysis and design, we already studied this is the system or the information engineering, where the analysis phase acquire all the features or all the requirements of the customer, where design acquire all the modeling processes, that is design of the software or design of the system. In the code step or code phase, the coding, that is implementation process done or implementation process take place. After the implementation, we will take place for the test, that is the test system, test the whole system and deploy to the customer. But in the incremental process model, we implement a software in the module pattern, means we divide that total application or the software application in the module, fragment that software in the module pattern. So we complete the first feature, after that we implement second feature as per the software requirement and test, that is analysis, design, code and test. After testing the second model, we will increment or we will add third requirement as per the customer requirements, and we will analyze all the requirements, design that requirement, code on that requirement or add some skills, some technologies, and after that we will take place for, or we will go through the testing process. So this is the incremental model, where we have to follow some calendar time, that is some deadline time, and there is a implementation process. The left hand side the graph goes to the implementation process, and there is a time limit where we have to deploy that software in the within a time deadline. This is the example for the implemented process of increment process model. This is the development cycle for increment process model. So what is increment software process model do? The incremental model combines elements of a linear sequential model with the iterative philosophy of a prototype. Means it follows the iterative process. First, second, after second, third, after third, fourth. This is the nth number of iterations. So we can say linear sequential model. Incremental process model is a linear sequential model. So in incremental model applies linear sequence in the staggered fashion as a calendar time progresses. Means in each linear or each incremental linear sequence produce a deliverable increment of the software. Means day by day or the module to module, we will increment the software requirements, we enhance the software requirements. When an incremental model is used, the first increment is often a core product. At the first step or the initial step, we implement the first module, this is the core product, or the first increment is often for a core product. Means as we can say, while we implementing a large application, so we have to, in the first module we have to complete our login form. So this is the first core product. After that, the core product is used by the customer. As the result of use or evaluation, the plan is developed for the next increment. Hence, while completing first increment or first requirement, we'll go through the next requirement. After second requirement, we will go to the third requirement. This is the increment process model or incremental model. So incremental model focuses on the delivery of a operational product. Means each and every step focus on the delivery and the quality of the software. So how to perform that software, what are the operations of the software, or what are the operations of the software application. So this decides in the incremental software model. So incremental software development or the incremental development is the particularly useful when staffing is unavailable or for a complete implementation by the business deadline that has been established for the project. Means while implementing or early increments can done in the software implementation process, So fewer people will complete first module. After that first module completion, the number of people, some of the people enters into the second module. So we can reduce the number of people's entertainment, or we can add the staff if required in the software development process. So that is then additional staff if required can be added to the implement and the next implement. If the second module requires more people, so we can add some of the people from first module to second module as well. And that is the technical risk managed by the people or the developer. So thank you. After the in the third video, or sorry, in the next video, that is fourth video, we will discuss about RAD, that is rapid application development model. So thank you being here. Have a nice day all.